Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So a storm is passing over Jamaica, so that's why the weather looks like this. So we're giving you a tour as to what's going on. Today is Friday. The rain started last night, kind of eased up today, but it's going to continue until I think it's 7 p.m. Saturday. So we will keep giving you guys updates as to what's going on. And we are on Constant Spring Road heading towards Manor Park. Now this road was recently renovated, and a part of that project included putting in a new drainage system. So as you can see, there's no water really settled on this road because the drains are working and they're obviously clear. So that's very good. So this road is fine. It's just going to have rain for the next couple of hours. Some of the other roads now, like places like Montego Bay, you can imagine what's going on down there, because when there is just regular rain or not a lot of rain, the place floods out. So can you imagine when you have this constant rain for 2-3 days? Now the drainage system in Montego Bay is very old. Towns like Lucy, St. Anne's Bay were built hundreds of years ago. There was no real... When the towns were built, they weren't built for cars. They were built for horses and carriages. So over time, they've been expanded. But the roads are narrow and the drainage system is inadequate. Let's talk about Montego Bay. So they are doing a mega project down there called the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. They're going to build a perimeter road right around Montego Bay to help with the traffic. And a big part of that project is also drainage, so that they'll fix the drainage system down there. Basically, they're going to have to put in a new system. The pipes, everything has to be, the drains, bigger. So they are undertaking that. China Harbour Engineering Company is doing it, so that should fix the drainage problem that they have down in Montego Bay. And that project is also building... Every day that project expands, because it now includes the Montego Bay Bypass. So you can get from Montego Bay to Negril on new roads, bypassing Lucy, Hopewell, all those towns, Sandy Bay that created traffic nightmares basically. Sometimes you go through the town of Lucy, oh my God. And this is the main road, because the main road ran through these towns. So they're changing it now. So we will keep you guys updated on that. But they're also looking into the drainage system by Lucy. Now, somebody had commented, I didn't get a chance to check on it, so I'm asking you guys, that Lucy has a natural harbor. Bigger than, well, it couldn't be bigger than the Kingston Harbor, because that's the 7th largest natural harbor in the world. But I was surprised. I didn't know Jamaica had other natural harbors that were so big. So, does anybody know about the Lucy Harbor? Is it a natural harbor? And in comparison to the Kingston Harbor, how big is it? I found that very interesting when somebody posted the comments. So they are planning to redo the town of Lucy basically, and one way they're doing it is to build an urban center to put all the government buildings in. And that will be away from the current town, but so that it frees up a lot of space in the town. Now, Lucy is a very busy town, and the potential down there is amazing. The largest hotel in Jamaica, the 2,000-room Princess Resorts. Guess where it's being built? Hanover. The address, of course, they have listed it as Negril for obvious reasons. Negril, Ochios, and Montego Bay are known the world over for tourism. So that's okay, but this is just the first of many hotels to be built on that side of the island. So Lucy definitely has to be upgraded. The town, because you're going to need people to work in these hotels. You're going to need goods supplied to these hotels. And Lucy is the main town for Hanover. It's the capital. Alright, so Constant Spring Road is fine. There's no water problem. You notice some roads you don't see potholes on? No, seriously. Some roads you do not see potholes on. Some roads are full of potholes. Oh yes, this road was recently renovated. I think it was before COVID, so that would have been about, 5 years ago? And the road is fine, the drainage is fine. No, China Harbour Engineering Company did the road. And it's fine. Barbican Road, I'm sure. I can't remember seeing any pothole on that road, but there's some roads, oh my God, a year or two after they're finished, full of potholes. Oh, okay, let's leave that one alone. But this road, I mean, sometimes you wonder if town planning and those things really make a difference. But it does, because to get from Halfway Tree to Manor Park before the road was renovated was a nightmare. It could take up to an hour sometimes on a Friday, maybe 2 hours. And when the road was renovated and the stoplights put in, and it was always was it always a dual carriageway? I can't remember. But it works fine now. So town planning and those things, they do work. The road is fine. Barbican Road, no traffic. Hagley Park Road, no traffic. The only road I can remember being upgraded and the drainage didn't work on it was Marcus Garvey Drive. Actually, we should go down there and take a tour, because it was later revealed that the drains that they put in were too small. Now, I don't know what happened, we don't know what happened, but basically the road was renovated and it had flooding on it still. And it turns out that the drains were too small the water couldn't run off in a timely manner because of the drains. So I think they said they were going to put in bigger drains. I'm not sure if the project has been done. But that's the only road that has been renovated recently, or the only one I can remember that was renovated recently and the drainage was still a problem. All the others, drainage works fine. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.